Join me as we prepare this delicious alkaline vegan banana spelt pancakes, adding in 0 to 300 pounds of baby bananas, and we will mash them using a pastry blender or whatever you have. I found the banana slipping into the pastry blender, so I needed a spoon to rake it out. Using the milk of your choice, add in Fong's coconut milk and 0 to 220 pounds of spelt flour. And then we want to mix thoroughly, whether by hand or by mixer. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of agave sweetener and 2 teaspoons of avocado oil. Once that is mixed properly, using a spoon we will check the texture. Let's head to the stove. Turn your stove on high heat to get the pot hot. For every pancake, we want to use a 1/4 teaspoon of avocado oil. When you add the oil to the pan, then turn your stove down and spread the oil over the pan. And then using a 1 ounce ladle, scoop and add batter to pan. I actually wanted to put 2 pancakes in the pan, but rather than jamming it up, I said let me only put 1 for now. When you see the edges browning, flip on the other side. My pot was too hot, so I transferred it to the lower burner. With these pancakes, it needs low heat and lots of moisture. I will show you how to do another one, and then others I will fast forward. While this one is cooking, I'm so excited about my very own Natural Ethics app, which will be available on both Apple and Google Play Store. Check description for more information and to subscribe to the wait list. So they're nicely done, as you can see. And I have some agave syrup to pair with it, along with some freshly sliced bananas and walnuts. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. If you haven't already, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.